The delete line segment lets you delete a segment of a line or a line string. This happens to be a CAD polyline, and you can see that I have a segment from here to here. Or if I click over here and I pick that CAD polyline, you can see I have this segment over here. So if I want to delete this segment or one of these portions of it, then you're going to use the delete line segment command, which is found on the CAD tab. So when I select that, it's going to ask you to pick the line string. So I've already have it selected, so it automatically selected that one. But you can pick it, and you can see that it's got a little glyph here that lets you go around and pick the segment to delete. So what I can do is pick on this one, and you'll see that it deletes that segment. Now it comes back to select the line string again, and I can tab down and come over here, and I can delete that one. So now basically this line and this line are now separate line strings, but I've deleted the segment that I wanted to remove.